Hello everyone, my name is Rohan Biradar. Today's video topic is Java main function method. The main function is the starting point for JVM. To start the execution of JVM Java program without the main function method, JVM will not execute the program. The syntax of the main function method is uh, public static void main in bracket string argument. First of all, public is what is public? Public, it is an access specifier which should use a public keyword before the main function method so that JVM can identify the execution point of the program. If you use private, protected and default before the main function method, it will not be visible to JVM. Static. Static. You can make a method static by using the keyword static. We should call the main function method without creating an object. Static methods are the method which invokes without creating the objects. So we do not need any object to call the main function method. Void. Void is in Java. Every method has the return type. Void keyword acknowledges the compiler the main function method does not return any value. Main function. It is a default signature which is predefined in the JVM. It is called by JVM to execute a program line by line and end of the execution after compilation of this method. We can also overload the main function method. String argument. The main function method also accepts some data from the user. It accepts a group of strings which is called a string array. It used to hold the command line arguments in the form of string values. Argument is the array name, and it is of a string type. It means that it can store a group of string. Remember, this array can also store a group of numbers, but in the form of string only. Values passed to the main function method is called arguments. These arguments are stored into argument array. So the name argument to is generally used for it. What happens if the main function method is written without string arguments? The program will compile but not run because JVM will not recognize the main function method. Remember, JVM always looks for the main function method with the string type as a parameter. Execution process. First, JVM executes the static block, then it executes static method, and then it creates the objects needed by the program. Finally, it executes the instance methods. JVM executes a static block of the highest priority basis. It means JVM first goes to static block even before it looks the main function method in the program. So it is all about Java main function method. So thank you.